Welcome to the Research Paper Bootcamp Video Series. I know research project is an assignment that is hard to tackle, but don't you worry. Through this research bootcamp with 5 short videos, we'll walk you through the simple steps for a successful research paper. In this episode, we'll look at the first steps to a research project, defining your topic. Before you can start, you need to understand exactly what you are expected to provide for this assignment. Deciphering your assignment by carefully reading the question is crucial, so don't skip this process. Once you know exactly what you are asked to do, then it's time to define your topic. If your instructor provides a list of topics, choose from the list. If you have to come up with your own, it's important that you choose a topic that interests you to learn. Also, your topic should fulfill all required elements of the assignment. Let's say that we are interested in learning about different learning styles and how knowing your own learning style could help your academic success. We are going to use learning style as a theme for our research paper. Now that we have decided the topic of our project, we're going to formulate a working thesis statement. A thesis statement is a summary of the main point of your paper. The main point of your paper may change as you progress your research, and that is A-OK. Keeping that flexibility in mind, having a good direction of your paper will be helpful while working on your project. Here's a sample of a thesis statement for this topic. Knowing my learning style is important because it affects my ability to read, take notes, and study well. Once again, remember that this is a working thesis statement, which is an educated guess that you will test and find the answer to throughout your research while you discover new information. So you may adjust this statement by adding or eliminating some items or even drastically changing later on to make this become your solid thesis statement. So now that we have selected a topic and direction of your project, what's next? In the next episode of Research Paper Bootcamp, we'll learn how to gather information surrounding the topic selected. We'll walk you through pre-research process and share some note-taking tips. So don't miss it. Best of luck!